The Lume Cube drone mount. You don't necessarily need to use it with the Lume Cube. This should give you the screws to screw anything in that has the regular camera mount. I bought it from my Karma. The drone I love the Karma. Love it. Out of all the drones, I've had the Mavica, the large, the DJI, I think it's the DJI 3 Pro, and I still have the DJI 3 Pro. I fly it once in a while, but I love the Karma. I love the ease of use. I love the unnecessariness of calibration so much. Just turn it on and start flying and start videoing. So, plus now that they're stopped making it, I'm hoping that they start reducing in price and I can buy more as backups. I own about 3 Karmas, and the Mavica I lost, the original Mavica, and I have again the DJI 3 Pro. Alright, so this is the mount. This screws off here, and you screw the camera. Well, in this case, I'm putting the lights on it, and this will go on the feet. So I'll set it up, put it on the, install it on the Karma and show you how it looks. So let me open up the Karma so I can get it ready to mount the lights on it. This one came with the Hero 5, I believe. So I've done an unboxing in the past on this, so I'm not gonna do another one. I'm just looking to look at the mounts to mount this on. GoPro Karma. And first I'm going to do the mounts. So like I said, these are the chargers cables. And these are the actual mounts themselves. Did a close-up. So let's put them on. I'm assuming it should match up. So this one should go in here like this. that's the way. Okay. So that slit is gonna fit here. It looks like. Yep, perfect. Oh wow, what a perfect fit. It's on just the wrong side, that's all. It fits perfectly, perfectly fit. There's no wording or anything on it. It's ZIF, zero insertion force, okay? This should go right in. Is that the right one? No. No, that's not one. Okay. So the second one, since I put the first one in, should be much easier to put in. That'll go here. Go right in. So again, little slot right there, slides right in. Goes right up. So that's how you put in the mount. You close it and open it. Awesome. I like them. Turn it. Screw does not turn. Locked into place. Awesome. So that's how you put it in. That way you don't have any issues of it popping out. Pretty secure.